Hello and welcome to this Move Manager walkthrough. In this video I will be showing you how to create multiple scenarios in a project and activate them as live. Scenarios is a particularly useful feature which allows you to create endless move scenarios, either as private drafts to assist with your planning or share with colleagues to talk over and review. To get started, I'm going to click on a move project in my projects list. Once you have added movers to your project, click the Scenarios tab and click Add Scenario to start creating a new scenario. To find out how to add employees, watch the videos on populating moves. Give your scenario a name, I'm going to call this scenario A, and type the relevant comments in the box below. Click Start to save your scenario and then enter the scenario relocator to assign employee locations within that scenario. Any two locations of employees already in your move project will appear under Use Plans. Click to select a plan or use search to select a floor plan to load. Click on the Movers tab to view all employees currently moving in the project and start dragging employees from the list to a potential location on the floor plan. When you have finished assigning movees to their locations within the scenario, press the back button to view a summary of your scenario. To view and share a scenario, click Reports and this will show a general summary, movie report and floor plan report for the selected scenario. This report is ideal for discussing draft move plans with colleagues who may need to sign off on a final scenario before you make it active. To share a digital copy, simply use the print button to print to PDF. Press Submit to save your changes and go back to the Move project to view your scenarios. Here you can continue to add more scenarios and copy or remove existing scenarios. Once you have a scenario you're happy with, you can activate it and all the employees in the Movers list will be moved to their new locations. It's as easy as that.